This one is kind of expensive for a noodles. They're $5.48 from Vietnamese noodles. So I would like to try it. They got chicken noodles and beef one for $5.99. So nandito tayo sa international aisle. Meron ditong konting Filipino food. Meron silang Pure Foods corned beef, $6.98. Meron din silang Ligo, green and then red. Meron din silang pancit canton. Ayan. Hindi ko makita yung price. 98 cents ata. 98 cents. And then meron din silang ditong Lucky Me, Lapas Pachoy na noodles. Favorite ko to eh. Sarap nito. And then meron din silang Skyflex. $7.44. Meron din silang, ang tawag dito, boy bawang. $1.46. And then meron din sila ditong pag gumagawa tayo sa Pilipinas ng buko salad, ayan. Kaong ba? Ayan, makapuno spring coconut. Ganito. $5.98. Ayan, meron din silang Milo energy drink. $1.48 for this one.